How are you? How are you, the students of class 7 of Kumula Modern High School? I am Aminush 72, assistant teacher of Kumula Modern High School in the morning shift. Today, I shall take a class of English first paper of class 7 on second online exam. Second online exam, our unit is Unit 8, English for today. Dear students, look at the book. Open the book. English for today. English for today, class 7. English for today, class 7. Unit 8, lesson 4. Unit 8, lesson 4. Page number 89. Class 7. Class 7, subject English first paper. English first paper. Unit 8, lesson 4. Lesson 4. Paul visit Kavita's house. Paul visit, Bisits. Paul visits Kavita's place. Apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. This is a positive case. This is a positive case. Kavita's house. Page number 89. Page 89. Dear students, open the page 89. Paul visits Kavita's house. There is some keyword: sheep, baggy trousers, reluctant, magazine, dish, desert, soft, skip, test. First word sheep. Dear students, look at the placard. What is the word? Sheep. Very good. Nice. Sheep mean, dear students, look at the meaning. Dear students, sheep mean to drink something a very little amount at a time. Sheep. S-I-P. Sheep. Sheep mean to drink something. To drink something a very little amount, LITTL, a very little amount at a time, very amount at a time. Next word. What is the next word? Dear students, look at the placard. Dear students, what is the word? Baggy trousers. Baggy trousers mean, dear students, look at the meaning. Baggy trouser mean, nice, thank you, a loose outer garment. Baggy trouser. BAGGY. Baggy trouser. TROUSER. Baggy trousers mean a loose outer garment. Loose outer garments. Next word. What is the next word, dear students? Look at the another placard. What is the word? Reluctant. Nice. Reluctant. What is the meaning of reluctant, dear students? What is the meaning of reluctant? Not willing to do a work. Reluctant. Reluctant mean not willing to do a work. Not willing to do a work, to do a work, to do work. Dear students, look at the board, look at the board. Reluctant mean not willing to do a work, not willing to do a work. Next word, next word. What is the next word? What is the next word, dear students? Magazine. Thank you. Magazine mean journal, a journal. Magazine mean journal, journal. Magazine mean journal. Next word, next word. Dear students, next word. What is the next word? What is the next word? Dish. Thank you. Dish mean a special kind of food or a kind of particular food. A special kind of food. Thank you. Dish. D-I-S-H. Dish mean a special kind of. Dish mean a special. Dish mean a special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Dish mean a special kind of food. Kind of food. Dear students, next word. Next word. What is the another word? Desert. Dear students, look at the placard. Look at the placard. What is the word? Desert. Excellent. Desert mean sweet food eaten at the after taking of the meal. Taking of the meal. Desert mean a kind of sweet food. Desert mean a kind of sweet food which is eaten, which are eaten in after the completing the food, or that means completing food or lunch or dinner. Desert mean one kind of sweet food. Desert. D-S-E-R-T. Desert mean sweet food eaten at the sweet food eaten at the after the taking after taking of the meal. 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 Does that mean one kind of sweet food? Next word, dear students. Next word. Dear student, next word. What is the another word? Next word. Soft. Thank you. Soft. Soft mean sliced. Nice. Soft mean sliced. Soft. C-H-O-P-P-E-D. Soft mean sliced. Soft means slide. Next word. What is the next word? Skip. Skip mean to avoid something, to avoid anything. Skip. It is a verb. It is a verb. Skip means to avoid. Or to avoid. to avoid or to avoid or give up. Next word, what is the last word? Test. Thank you. Test mean, test, dear student, test mean flavor, flavor. Nice. Test mean, dear student, test mean flavor. Test. T-A-S-T. Test mean flavor. Flavor. Test mean flavor. Dear students, point A. In pairs, a thing of something she is really like, dislikes, and tells B about this through miming. B tries to guess what A want to tell. Take turns as B mimes and A tries to guess. Mime means acting without sound. Mime means acting something without sound. For example, A maybe do miming of picking up a cup from the saucer, sipping tea from the cup, and then making an expression of disliking to show that he really dislikes having the tea. Point B. Read the following text about Paul's visit to Kavita's house and answer the following question. Dear students, open at page 90. Open at page 90. Dear students, open at page 90. Dear students, open at page 90. Everybody listen to me. Everybody listen to me what I am reading. Paul went to meet Kavita and her family the next day. He was in his blue trousers and in a grey t-shirt. Kavita's mother and Mrs. Shahana was shy woman and she was reluctant to come to Paul. Paul, he is a foreigner. He went to Kavita's house and Kavita's mother want to come to Paul, but Kavita's mother was very shy. But Paul greeted her warmly his newly learned Bangla. Kemon achen? Mrs. Shahana loved hearing a foreigner speak Bangla. She welcomed Paul to her house. Kavita started taking to Paul. She wanted him to write something for her school magazine. As they were talking, Mrs. Shahana prepared quite a number of Bangladeshi dishes. She served him lunch at noon. Paul had plain rice and chicken curry, fish buna, dal and salad for lunch. Kavita's mother arranged lunch, various kinds of delicious dishes for Paul. Bangla food for Paul. He liked the tastes of all those of delicious items except the dried fish bharta. He is afraid of hot chilies. He also doesn't like eating fresh onion, so he skipped the mashed potato and had to soft fishes onion in it. Actually, Paul didn't eat fish bharta because he was afraid of hot chilies. But Paul became very fond of the dessert made of rice, gur, milk and coconut. He also arranged drinking tea made of fresh cow milk. Paul thanked Kavita, Mrs. Shahana for the lunch. In fact, he was tired of having vegetables and fried eggs for the last few weeks. He had eating the same food for weeks, so he enjoyed the tastes of variety of Bangladeshi dishes. Paul, he liked Bangladeshi dishes, various kinds of food. So he was very pleased to eat the Bangladeshi dishes. There are some questions. Question 1. What did Mrs. Shahana love about Paul as he saw him first? Question 2. Which two items of the food did Paul skip while having lunch? Question 3. What item of the food did Paul specially like? What has Paul been? Question number 4. What has Paul been eating for the last few weeks? Did he like eating them? Question 5. Why do you think Paul visited Kavita's house? There is two question. There is two question. There is two question. Question B and C. Question B and C. Question B and C. B and C. Point C. Read the expression of the liking and disliking taken from the passage in B. First, complete the sentences, then arrange the sentences in order to liking very much or not to disliking very much. There is some fill in the blanks. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fill in the blanks. There is 7 sentences. You will complete the sentences on liking and disliking. On disliking and disliking. When you will write the question B and C, you can take help from the passage. D. Now write a true sentences about you with each expression and compare your sentence with a partner. Now write a true sentences about you with each expression and compare your sentences with your partner. You may discuss with your partner on the questions B and question C. When you will write the question B, you can take help from the passage. You can help from the passage B. And there is another point C. There is some fill in the blanks. When you will write the fill in the blanks, that means question C, you will take help from the passage B. You can take help from the passage B. At first, while you write the question B and C, you may read the passage. You should read the passage silently for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That means more times. And when we will read the passage, then you can underline the keyword. Dear students, open at page. Just look at the page 89. Page 89. And B. When we will read the passage B, then you can underline the keyword and you will realize the meaning of the sentences of the passage. If there is unknown word, then you can take help from the dictionary. There is two kinds of dictionary: hard dictionary and software dictionary. Software dictionary, that means software dictionaries or the software dictionaries are available in the mobile phone or smartphone or in the Android set. You can find out the word meanings from the hard dictionary or software dictionary. So you will do the homework. Question B, question C, page 90. Page 90, English for today. English for today. English for today. Next class, we shall discuss Unit 9 on Lesson 5, Paul and his family. Next class, we shall discuss, or I shall take a class, online class on Unit 8, Lesson 5, Paul and his family. Paul and his family, page number 91. So, dear students, a few days ago, you have participated first line online exam. you have read well and you have done well in the exam, first online exam. Next 22nd September, on 22nd September 2020, you will participate second online exam. There has given syllabus and second online exam routine in your group class 7, group class 7, in your section, so you will read attentively more and more and regularly. Our headmaster Muhammad Akhtar Hussain, MD Muhammad Akhtar Hussain sir, AKM Akhtar Hussain sir, is very cooperative, is very industrious, he is very attentive to the teachers and to the students and to Kumila Modern High School. So you will see the online class, you will observe the online classes of various subjects, all subjects. Now there is more classes of various subjects in the online, then you will be very helpful by the classes and you will do a good result by the observing of the online classes. So you observe the various kinds of subjects or all subjects online classes. Thank you everybody, see you next class.